There is no elevator access to success. Minsan, maghahagdan ka talaga. We have to wait, we have to trust God, and we have to be faithful. We operate in the chronos, but God operates in the kairos. Greek word ho yan. Anong ibig sabihin ng chronos? Yung chronos ho, ibig sabihin yan, yan yung normal na takbo ng ating orasan. Yan yung tik-tak, 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 tik-tak. Ang tawag po dyan, chronos. And most of the time, mga kapatid, na-frustrate tayo kasi nag-ooperate tayo sa tik-tak, nag-ooperate tayo sa chronos, pero ang Diyos nag-ooperate sa kairos. Ang ibig sabihin ng kairos, mga kapatid, the fullness of time. Iba ang takbo ng orasan ng Diyos sa takbo ng orasan natin. But we have to understand, we have to be reminded, God controls the time. Ang problem natin is nag-aantay tayo ng fullness of time. Nag-aantay tayo ng kairos moment, pero madalas wala tayong ginagawa sa TikTok moment. You are wasting your season, but you are waiting for the due season. Parang gusto mong anihin yung hindi mo naman tinanim. Kasi kung ang Kristiyano laging iniisip, it's harvest all the time, you will be prostrated. Hindi lahat ng araw, harvest time. Everything is made beautiful in its time. Lahat ng bagay may panahon. Lahat ng bagay may season. May season ng pagiging single. May season ng panliligaw. May season ng pagkakaroon ng boyfriend. May season ng pag-aasawa, pag-iipon, pagtatrabaho. May season ng pagkamatay. Lahat may season.